Hello from the Bismarck Mandan UCC Stewardship and Mission Committee. We have 5 mission areas for our church: accepting and loving one another, serving our neighbors, providing inspiring worship, nurturing spiritual growth, and creating space for transformation. Though we are experiencing a time of great uncertainty, our commitment to these missions remain. One way you can serve as a part of these missions is through monetary donation. While you can always mail a check to the church, you can also donate through our online portal. From our website, uccbismarck.org, click on Donate in the upper right-hand corner. From here, it will give you 3 different donation options, and we're going to start over here on the right-hand side. Here is our COVID-19 support option. Funds donated through this link will be given to one of our church's wider mission special offerings, the Christmas Fund. Christmas Fund monies are directly supporting those affected by COVID-19. In the center, we have our Sponsoring a Sunday option. Sponsoring a Sunday allows families, individuals, or groups to directly sponsor the cost associated with holding our worship services each week. Through this link, you can choose which Sunday you would like to sponsor. If you'd like more information on Sponsor a Sunday, please contact the church office and we can put you in touch with Pastor Gretchen or a member of the Stewardship and Mission Committee. And on the left is our general donation link. From clicking here on Donate, you'll be taken to a payment screen. Once here, you can select a dollar amount that is pre-filled, or you can enter the amount of your choosing in this box. The drop-down box allows you to select which area of offering you'd like your donation to go toward. If you don't see the fund you'd like on this list, or you'd like to split your donation among multiple funds, you can enter that information once you get to the payment screen. Checking this box will make your offering a recurring monthly donation. If you'd like for your offering to be one-time only, leave this box empty. You are now ready to select your payment type. If you already have a PayPal account, you can click here and follow the prompts for a PayPal payment. If you're donating using a credit or debit card, click here. Both the PayPal and credit and debit card payment options are secure. The Write a Note option is where you can click to enter further information about how you'd like your donation to be allocated. From here, enter your debit or credit card information, your billing address information, and contact information. Once you've filled in these boxes, click Donate Now. A confirmation email of your donation will be sent to the email address you entered above. Thank you for being a part of the mission of the Bismarck Mandan Area United Church of Christ, where no matter who you are or where you are on life's journey, you are welcome here.